Morning. Hello. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Give me 2 minutes. We'll start.
I have a few.
Yeah, good morning. We shall start now. So, guys, what was the last topic we have seen in the last class? Hello? Hello?
On-premise to SQL Server.
Okay, now we'll start with the. Okay, guys. So now we'll start with a new topic. The case study. We'll start with the case study and the title of the case study. Okay. Integration of REST API. Integration of REST API. Okay. Integration of REST API with ADF. So, guys, what is that? Today we are going to see the REST API. We are going to see what is that? REST API. So, what do you mean by REST API, guys? Any idea? All of you? Please respond. Hello? Hello?
No, Samir.
Okay. So, basically, REST API. So, okay, guys, what I will do is I'll start it from the beginning. That's better now. Why? Because the things are different. So, REST API with ADF. So, I'll give some points, then I'll explain you. Okay, guys, a REST API, is a is an application. A REST API is an application programming. It's an application programming interface that provides the communication or interaction with communication or interaction with okay communication or interaction with RESTful web services. With what is that? RESTful with the RESTful web services. RESTful web services. Okay, guys. RESTful web services. Okay. So when it comes to this, guys, RESTful web services or REST API means what? Basically, you know already, everyone. Okay, let's take an example here. You wanted to know the weather condition of your city. So tell me now, where do you get the weather condition of your city? Yes, guys, whether you're staying in Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, whatever, wherever you're staying, you wanted to know the weather condition of your city. Tell me now, whenever you wanted to know the weather condition of your city, how can you find it out? Can somebody tell me? Hello?
We can see on mobile application.
Wow, pardon me?
Mobile application.
Yes, what is that application? Browser I want. Yes. Basically, guys, the RESTful web services is nothing but getting the information from the web service, getting the data from the web server. Okay. So basically, whenever you require to get the data from the web services, okay, web services, ultimately the web services data, whichever we get it, suppose you wanted to know the weather conditions of Hyderabad or weather conditions of Chennai or weather conditions of Pune or Mumbai. So directly we can go to the Indian Meteorological Department. Your Indian Meteorological Department is there. So if you go there, you will get the weather of the entire country. What is the weather? What is the weather of that particular state? What is the weather of this particular city? What is the weather of this particular city, etc., etc. The entire information will be there. Am I right or not? Yes, guys. Am I right or not, everybody?
Yes, Sam.
Whereas this information is a free of cost, or you have to pay something for this.
There is a free of cost.
Yes, free of cost, and can be accessible by anyone. Can be accessible by anyone. So in the same way, guys, in the same way, if you have some information, that is nothing but the balance sheet of the government who spent after the budget and who have the current balance. So this is nothing but some financial information you have it. So related to the government of India. Okay, some financial information is there. Will it be available onto their websites or it will be kept as a confidential?
No, this is all public information.
Is public information in the same way. That means what is the amount of budget you have it and what is the amount of spending you have it. Everything will be given here. Am I right or not? It will basically for public document. So make sure all the public documents are placed on the websites for information to the general public. Okay, guys. And rest of all the documents are called as what? Private. So suppose your information is there, your account information will be displayed on the web page or not? Yes,
Yeah,
guys?
yeah, we can see, but it's confidential. We
Yes.
have like authentication.
Yes, that's it. So we can say that such kind of information is kept in a private RESTful web services. So here you will have two type of web services. The first one is a private and second is public. Private means what? Anyone can go, anyone cannot access it except the particular authorized person. Public means what? Anyone can access from anywhere, any world, any part of the world you can access it. So hence you can say that web services is nothing but data on the website. That's it, guys. Data or information on the website is called as what? Web services. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
That's right here. So accessing the data from the web services is called as what? Yes, guys, is called as what? Is called as what? Accessing the data from the web services is called as what? Uh, getting the data from the RESTful web services. Whereas always, guys, always the data. I think I have a note here. I think always, yes, guys, always the information will be recorded like this. See here. Here you will have a RESTful web services server. And now the user makes the request. The user makes the request. So whenever the user makes the request to get the data, this is called as what? HTTP request. And HTTP request, you can make it here in the following commands by using the following commands: get command, post command, put command, and delete command. And now the get command is what? It is called as a select in SQL.
Select.
Post is what? Insert command. Put is what? Update command. Delete means what? Delete command. Getting my point? Huh?
Yes, we got it.
So here you have what's it? HTTP request, and this is called as HTTP response. And make sure the HTTP response always you will receive it in which format here? HTML format, JSON format, XML format, or a text format. These are the various formats we have it. Okay. Yes, guys, everyone is clear now? Hello.
Yes, Samir.
Okay, so this is the specifications of the day. Just have a look on this. Okay, the source data store is REST API and URL, that means from the web page from where you want to get the data, and ultimately you want to store it in the Azure Blob Storage. That's it, guys. Okay, so now this is the data, you have it. Okay, so guys, everyone is clear now. We'll start with the practicals.
Samir, can you please explain this one? RESTful web services server data HTML, SML, JSON.
The response, the output, you will get it in this format.
Okay, that above RESTful.
Response.
Okay, response.
RESTful web services server data, HTTP response. This is HTTP request.
Okay, this won't get like the table type, right? This unstructured data.
No, no, no.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Thank you. Now, guys, based on this, I'm going to start it. Okay, so let's start here.
Samir, we are able to see only notepad.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is the data we have it. So now let's begin with the REST API. So here, when it comes to the REST API, that means the data from a website. So here I will type it here, some dummy websites where you can get the data here. Okay. So for that, I will write it here dummy REST API. Just come down. Here you have a JSON placeholder. Is there? Can you see?
Yeah.
API. Just open this. So here you have it, the URL. Just copy this URL. Paste it here. Got it, everyone? See? Uh,
Always we will get the data from the JSON format.
JSON, we get it here. HTML format, we have it. You need
Okay.
not worry on this. Whatever the type of data you have it, you need not worry on this. You can get the data from any format.
Okay.
Choose the form you have it. So if you have, sometime you will have a mixture of three, HTML, JSON, and text format also. At that time, go with the use of the binary.
Yeah.
That you
Okay.
have to choose it. Huh?
Okay, got it.
So that's it, guys. So here you have it. The data is here. So so you need not worry on the source part. So the source is already ready. Am I right? Open this. Hello.
Yes, Amit. Current open target block.
Yeah.
So now let's just start with the source. Sorry, the source is ready. Target I'm starting up directly. Okay. So guys, let's start with this create. I'm creating the target, guys. Source is already ready. Yeah. I'm taking the data directly from website. So click on the create. Now, guys, here you have a resource group, so you can create a resource group. So I'm giving the resource group name here as a REST API RG. That's it. Okay. Some name. Click on OK. Give the name here. So sync API. Okay. So this is a blob storage. So hence click on the review and again click on the create. Okay. The next one is till the time it creates a target, I'll create a data factory as well. Okay, guys, just open this.
Samir, in real time, how we will get the source data, Samir? It's in URL.
Yeah, obviously in URL only,
It's the URL only. Okay.
directly in URL. To start the data factory. So you'll get the link. You'll have to get the data from that link only.
Okay. Thank you.
Now, next one is create the data factory. Select the resource group. I'm using the name as instance. REST API.
Hello, Samir.
Yeah,
We can create multiple data factories with the same name, right?
yeah. Let's wait. Now it's ready, guys. The data factory is ready. So here the sink is ready. Just open the sink and create the output container in the sink system. So for this, click on this containers. So guys, I'm giving the name as a output. That's it. Click on the create. And this should be empty as regular we do it. Open this. Okay, this is ready. Open this. Leave it as it is. And this is the REST API. Launch the studio. Just a minute, guys. The data factory is starting. Okay, guys. The next one is let's start with this expansion. And now click on the manage. So we have to start with the link services. The first one, link service, just click on this new. Now tell me, what is your first link service you have to create it for? This website. Am I right or not? This web
Yes.
page you have to. So this is what it is called as a REST. So just type it here, REST. Okay. That means this logo represents what you are trying to access the data from a website. Getting my point?
Yes.
REST means first you're trying to access the data from the website. Open this and now provide the name here. So I'm giving the name here as ls underscore rest underscore API underscore source. And now select it here. Base URL means what, guys? See, basically, when it comes to the REST API, you'll have private and public. Private is called as what? Basic. And public is called as what? Anonymous. Means anyone can access this. So as it's basic one, it is asking for the password here. Okay. That is the basic. So I'll do one thing now. I'll make it as anonymous. Password is gone now. Now URL. Where is the URL? Just paste the URL here. From here, go and correct the data. That's the only thing it means. Anonymous, you're selected. Click on the test connections. And now click on the create. That's it, guys. The next link service you have to create it. Click on the new link service. And now here you have it. The new link service. Yeah. What is the new link service?
Below. Below.
Blob. Okay. Select the link service ls underscore blob underscore source. Test it. Click on the create. That's it. Now start the development using the author. Now, guys, I'm creating pipeline directly today rather than creating everything. That's it, guys. So from the move and transform, drag and drop the copy activity. And now use it here. PL underscore REST API. Select the source. You have source data set is there. Tell me, please.
No, we need to create data set.
You just click on the create and now use REST API. REST API. So that means website you want to access the data and now give it your name ds underscore REST API source. And now select it here. That's it. Click on the OK. Again, click on the sync. New. And now here you want to create it for what? Blob storage. Blob. And now which file you want? CSV conversion you wanted. JSON data is there, but I want to convert it to CSV. So use ds underscore sync underscore output. Click OK. That's it, guys. Debug now finished. Simple exercise. Succeeded. That's it. Go to the output. Refresh. Open this. See here. Got it, everyone? Please.
Yes, Samir.
So that's it.
Samir, what was the interview questions we'll ask in that REST API, Samir?
What is basically the questions, interview questions? I can give you some 4 to 5 questions. That is, what is a REST API? What do you mean by REST API? Representational state transfer. It stands for what? Representational state transfer. Can you see here? Representational state transfer. There are some points. Representational state transfer.
Okay.
And what are the post methods or what are the request methods? Tell me now, what are the request methods means what?
Like
Request, yes,
select,
yes,
update.
yes. Insert, update and delete.
Okay. Select, insert, update, and delete.
Yes, these are
All
the, yeah, and
DML statements here.
yes. Uh, these are the few things you have it, okay?
And we have only basics and anonymous, Samir, or any other?
Many things are there.
Okay, that's it belongs to.
Many things are there, but users are different. We will see one more exercise on this.
Okay, Samir.
No worries, I'll show you, okay?
Okay.
So that's it, guys. So I'm just ending the class. We'll meet tomorrow. That is for Monday.
Monday.
Samir, how many days are pending for this class now?
10 to 15 classes, 10 to 12 classes.
Okay, so means we don't have means further links to join the class. So do we have
Pardon me?
to join this same link, right?
Same link,
The
same.
links are expired. Yeah.
They will renew it. You okay?
Yeah.
Don't
Okay.
worry, Ma. They will renew it. Okay? No problem. Fine.
Okay, Samir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.